Yes, this is Carlos, and this is a pre-sale video of the E-Flite Advanced 25E. This is a sport model, a pretty good size model, and I am going to be taking off the power system and the receiver and the ESC, of course. I am demonstrating the aero surfaces which are going to be included in the sale. And this is the ailerons. Here you go. No buzzing, no shaking, no nothing. These are very good servos. Again, the model has not flown that much, maybe 5-6 flights. Here you go. That's on the right wing, left wing. And all the aero surfaces are in excellent shape. There you go. Now for the tail surfaces, you got up elevator, down elevator, real smooth. The rudder, very smooth, very quiet. Those are in here, as you can see. That's rudder. Again, no hesitation, no buzzing, no nothing. Here's the elevator. Okay. And again, the control surfaces are not binding. They're not jamming, nothing. So this is going to be a real nice sale for a person that really enjoys this particular model. I like it, but I just haven't flown it for a good long time, so it's just time to move it out. Thank you so much, and Carlos out.